Hello everyone. Today on my channel Anna Vanila Arts and myself Anna Vanila will be showing you how I have knitted this headband. It's a very beautiful pattern, and as you can see, it's voluminous, is very chic, very beautiful, very simple to make, and you will see it's not difficult to achieve such a pattern, to do a easy and quick headband. So first loop I knit with a front stitch to make sure the edging stays even, so it doesn't curve. So we see 3 front stitches. We take the first needle, the right needle, through the first loop, and we grab the yarn from behind and we bring this loop to the back, and we have a yarn over, and then we take this first one plus we add the 2 loops, the next 2 loops together, and we make a stitch of a front stitch. All of them we knit with the front stitch. So we take the first loop, we put the needle through, we grab the yarn, we rotate it slightly, we grab the thread from behind to create the yarn over, and then we add this first loop that we just knitted with another 2 loops, so that in total will be 3 loops together. And we release all 3 loops. So we basically create from 3 loops, we make 3 loops. So the first one, we grab the yarn from behind, we rotate it slightly, we take the yarn over the needle, and then we knit the first one again, and we add another 2 loops together, and in total to be 3 loops, and we grab the yarn through them with a front stitch. So we make 3. From 3 we make 3. So on my needles I have got 20 loops. This should be enough to make a headband, and I use needles number 5, and as you can see, it's got an open work look to it because of the yarn overs we do. So it's fantastic pattern, I love it. It's easy to do, and it's easy to get used to it. It's very beautiful. And we make the last one, the last 3. And this one we knit with a front stitch so that the angle, the edge isn't curved. And this is the back. The first loop we knit with a front stitch because we then have a nice edging, and every single loop we knit with a purl stitch. Absolutely every single loop with a purl stitch. Is that easy to make this pattern? So I would advise you to definitely try it and see and you will see it's easy to master it and enjoy the beautiful new headband. And last one, and the last one, the last loop we need with a front stitch to make sure we save the edging to not be curved but to be straight, the edges to be straight. So basically you repeat the first row with the second row, first row where you make from 3 and second row where you need all over loops, absolutely all over loops with a purl stitch. And this is it. This is all you need to know to be able to make this beautiful, beautiful headband. Beautiful stitching for headband. In this case I've used cotton yarn, which is breathable, especially for summertime, to be like an accessory that will hold the hair into place in case it's windy, and at the same time for it to be slightly warm in cooler days or evenings of summer, and it will be fantastic. So I wish you luck in doing so. So then we meet when we finish this headband together. This is I thought I'm going to show you how I actually close my loops. As you can see, I've needed the right amount for my head because it's a hairband. As you can see, we have all different heads, different sizes, and I've made it to my head. So I take the first loop and the second loop, put the needle through and grab the yarn like so, and make sure you don't do it too tightly. Then I put the loop that I've made from closing with a second loop, and then I pass through another loop, 2, and then I grab the yarn like so. I put the yarn like this, the loop, and then I take the loop, 2, take the loop, I put it back, and then I take through the second loop, these 2 loops together like so. And then we sort of correct it slightly so it's not too large and not too tight. So we put it back, then this loop, we take the second loop and we grab the yarn through these 2 loops. And so on. And we close the last 2 and we create 1 loop. Now put the needles to the side. I count about 3 times the amount I would need to stitch it. So this is what we do. We put through this last loop and we tie it together like so. Then we stitch it. So I have made a stitch at the back here. I've hidden all the yarn behind here, inside out. And now I would like to show you how I hide odds and ends of yarn. So what I do, I make a knot between 2 yarns, 2 strings, and then I just hide it through the loops. I do this on inside out, so I make a knot like so, so it doesn't unravel, and then I hide it through the loops like this. Then I cut it off. Now I take the second string and hide it the other side. It all depends how your pattern that you've made, how you knitted it, because it goes across like so. I follow the row and so that it's hidden, so you can't go this yarn through the open work. So I just, where it's a bit more busy with knitting, I hide it there. So these are purl stitches, and it's easy to hide for purl stitches. I find it easy. Purl stitches are very good at hiding yarn with strings. And so on. Hello again, and this is my new headband. I've shown you in the previous videos how I've made it. Basically, you make from 3 loops, you make 3 loops. On the inside out you knit everything with a purl stitch. It's just such a simple yet effective pattern. Anyone could do this pattern, even a beginner. And as you can see, it's airy. It's got a bit of a open work to it. You can see the hair through if you were to wear it. It's breathable. It's made from cotton yarn, so it doesn't stretch too much, but it doesn't keep you too hot. So you can wear it even when you go on a beach in the summer. You could wear it in cooler evenings in the summer. It's just fantastic. I love the pattern. I think it turned out to be very beautiful. The color itself is nice, it's gray, it's stylish to have an accessory like this one, and wearing it you'll get a lot of compliments, I'm sure of that. So if you do a pattern like this one, I can guarantee you will get a lot of compliments, because it looks fantastic. I mean, look at this, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And the edging is done nicely with front stitches that I've shown you how I was doing. It's just nice. I love it. This is the back. I have stitched it nicely here with this needle, plastic needle, neon green that I have. It's actually my favorite needle. And I've hidden all the yarns here at the back. So this is the back. Overhead is supposed to be, and this is the front. As you can see, it turned out to be very good, very even. It's easy to make. It literally took me a couple of hours to make one like this. Not too much, maybe about 2 to 3 hours, maybe. And it's very quick to do, it's very quick to memorize this pattern, and I can guarantee you you're going to enjoy having such an accessory in your bag for when you need it. It's there for you to be taken and worn. And as you can see, it's fantastic, it's stretchy, it's beautiful. It keeps your hair into place, it keeps your ears a bit warmer, and I think it's very stylish. It's a great design of headband. It's fantastic. I love it. I hope you love it too. You can try different yarns with this pattern and it will all look great. Even in different colors it will look stunning. I can guarantee you that. And I think a headband like this, anyone can wear it, no matter the age, from children to adult size. So you're very much welcome to use your inspiration and do something purposeful, and I think it would look nice on mama, it will look nice on daughter. I think it's great. You're definitely going to love it. So thank you very much for stopping by and watching my videos, my new patterns, drawings, everything that I do and share with you. And I am Anna Vanila, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.